Hi guys, how are you doing? Good evening. कैसे हैं आप? How was your day? How was your day at the markets? The markets were not doing very well today. Okay, uh, you know, some people have mailed me. Actually, I could not do live last week. Tuesday भी नहीं, Thursday भी नहीं हुआ. So it's like I got some mail. Some people mailed me. So it's like you know I'll try to reply to a couple of inquiries. I'll gradually try to reply to more. I also have to do ask any stock thing. I thought I'll do it on a Tuesday, this Tuesday, but last week थोड़ा छुट्टी हो गया था. Okay, so it's like, oh my phone इसमें चार्ज ही नहीं है लैपटॉप में. Okay, so I'll try to answer two such stocks. And actually, what is it like when generally I'm on a holiday, the markets are up. Okay, अब ऐसा नहीं that I'm not good charm for the markets, but it's like ऐसा होता है. And then I'm trying to look in the mobile, क्या हुआ, what is the reason, what is the immediate trigger. ऐसा हुआ था इस बार. So the fact is that today the markets were down, and there are many reasons behind it. Most of them already yesterday also the same reasons were there. Weak global cues, कोविड केसेस फिर से आ रहे हैं. आई थिंक अराउंड 257 ऑड केसेस इंडिया में हैं. एंड ऑल्सो टेक्निकल सपोर्ट्स ब्रेक हुए हैं. प्रॉफिट बुकिंग हुआ है. FIIs हैव सोल्ड टुडे. दे हैव सोल्ड अराउंड 10,000 के ऊपर वर्थ इक्विटी. आज भी बेचा है. 20 मई का है ये डेटा. DIIs have bought around 6,000 odd something today. Yesterday also FII sold around 500 something crore worth equity. Okay, so these are few of the reasons. I will not go much into it. We know these reasons, and the fact is that we now have to make a portfolio which has to rock solid होना चाहिए. ऐसा portfolio up and down चलता रहता है. We've seen this, especially this year. Not only this, लास्ट ईयर के सितंबर के बाद से अभी मई आ गया है, ऐसे चल रहा है. सो वी शुड हैव अ पोर्टफोलियो विच इज रॉक सॉलिड एंड विच इज एबल टू वेड थ्रू दीज अनसर्टेनिटीज. अभी तक तो ये सबकी समझ में आ गया. FD की बात फिर से लोग कर रहे हैं. अभी एड भी आ रहे हैं FD की, FD करो. ओके, सो द फैक्ट इज दैट staggered portfolio always I say, but staggered में क्या? Those who are long-term investors like me, we have not still our portfolios have still not recovered from that झटका which we got in Diwali onwards. जो 5 महीने का जो slump आया था, अभी भी उसका झटके से हम बाहर नहीं निकले हैं. We are still minus में है, अपना return. So the fact is that I was thinking what to do. Should I buy some? Should I sell some? I have not done anything with my portfolio. Currently, it is in the red. Okay, घाटा कम हुआ है definitely, but yes, we have to. There are some stocks on my radar also, which I will buy. I will not look at whether the market is up or down at that time. We can't time the market. It is really very difficult at the moment. And also, yes, जब तक मिस्टर ट्रम्प प्रेसिडेंट है, आई थिंक ऐसा रह ही सकता है. उसके अलावा इंडिया पाकिस्तान वॉर हो गया था, ऐसे कुछ कुछ चीजें आ ही रही हैं. ऑपरेशन सिंदूर इज स्टिल ऑन. उसके अलावा पॉलिटिक्स भी चल रहा है उसके ऊपर. एनीवे, दैट इज फॉर माय other video, this politics on Operation Sindoor. So the fact is this, that yes, I'll talk about two such stocks, and after that, yes, ये थोड़ा सा तो रैप हो गया. But yes, most of the experts believe that the India story is intact. My stand is also moving. इस पे भी धूल आ गया था, because live नहीं हुए थे. India story is intact. B Street, is it? Yes, someone is also asking, ये जो corrections हो रहे हैं, are they temporary or the market is likely to consolidate? Well, most probably the market is likely to consolidate for some time. 24,300 level, 24,300, 24, आई थिंक मैंने इसके ऊपर कुछ लिखा भी है, ओके, दैट इज इन द ब्लॉग. सो 24,300 से 24,400 वाले जोन में मार्केट रहेगा. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, यस, इनफैक्ट फिबोनाची का 61.8 अगर रिट्रेसमेंट लेवल देखें, सो दैट कैन ऑल्सो गो टू 23,900 सम लेवल, ऐसा था कुछ, विच वॉज लास्ट वीक. ओके, सो अब ऐसा हो रहा है, कहाँ 25 पे उड़ रहे थे और अभी कहाँ पे वापस वी आर लुकिंग एट 20. सो दिस इज, आई डोंट ट्रेड, सो ट्रेडर्स के लिए एक्चुअली दिस इज अ टफ मार्केट. बट यस, इफ यू आर अ लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टर एंड इफ यू हैव एटलीस्ट कुछ तो इन्वेस्टमेंट लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए होना ही चाहिए. सो फॉर दैट, यस, these dips can be bought. अभी तो ऐसा हो रहा है कि डिप्स में बाइंग हो रहा था, 82 जब जा रहा था सेंसेक्स वगैरह, people were buying the dips, but actually valuation is still a problem in our stock market. So the fact is that now profit booking चल रहा है. Profit booking is also one of the reasons. Why is the market down? Well, the market is down. Yeah, as I said already, if you want me to list out the reasons: global weak cues, FIIs outflows, profit booking, uncertainty in US. पीयूष गोयल का जो मीटिंग था यूएस ट्रेड डील के ऊपर, यूएस इंडिया ट्रेड डील, दैट हैज कंक्लूडेड बट इट इज स्टिल टू कम आउट व्हाट हैज हैपेंड. ग्लोबल टेंशंस. अच्छा, यूएस का जो सोवरेन क्रेडिट का जो डाउनग्रेड किया था मूडीज ने, वो भी एक रीजन था कल जो मार्केट गिरा था. एंड यस, कोविड सर्ज. सो दीज वर सम ऑफ द रीजंस. टुडे आई विल टॉक अबाउट 2 सच स्टॉक्स. अच्छा, इसमें से अपना क्या है, अच्छी खबर क्या है? इन्फ्लेशन डाउन है, GDP growth is likely to remain above 6. In fact, some are even saying that 6.3 से 6.5 ये क्वार्टर में हो सकता है. So that is good news for us. And crude is in control. 65 ऐसे ऊपर से हो रहा है, but it is not going where it was earlier. And yes, the dollar is weak. These are good news as far as we are concerned. But yes, of course, the India story is intact. And FIIs are investing. अभी 2 दिन से बेच रहे हैं, but generally more or less they are buying. Okay, yes, earning upgrades. अच्छा, earnings are a big reason, but that is likely to happen in the H2 of FY26. अभी फर्स्ट क्वार्टर अगला शुरू हो जाएगा. Q4 results are almost out. So second half of the second half of this year, which is September वगैरह के onwards, उसके बाद से अर्निंग अपग्रेड्स आ सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ पॉसिबिलिटी लग रही है लोगों को. बट एज आई सेड, जीडीपी फिगर्स, ये वो इन्फ्लेशन एंड ऑल, दैट इज द मेन थिंग. सो टुडे आई विल टॉक अबाउट 2 stocks. One is NBCC India. Now this stock, the main question which I okay, you have to ask your advisor. This is not a investing advice. Till I clear that exam, I can't give a direct investing advice. I will be giving that exam again. मैं छोड़ूंगी नहीं, इतनी पढ़ाई की है मैंने. 4 books I read. Okay, so but this is not a investing advice. This is my study of these stocks, and talk to your advisor before you invest. Okay, so one is NBCC India. Now this stock was doing very well. In fact, for 6 consecutive days it was up, going up. This question was asked yesterday. Yesterday this stock fell, and today it has fallen further. It is at 111,111. 4.3% डाउन है आज. कल भी डाउन था, आज भी डाउन है. So someone was asking why, because NBCC was one of the favored stocks. Everyone, it's a नवरत्न company है, government of India की. So why is it so? Well, it is so because, number one, why it went up? It went up because, let me get that figure again. Yeah, they kind of sold 446 flats through auction, जिससे इन लोगों ने, थोड़ा सा हिंदी में बोलूंगी because the question was in Hindi, because they sold 446 residential units नोएडा में 76 सेक्टर में, उसे they earned around 1,467 crore. उतने में इन्होंने बेचा था 1467 को क्या बोलते हैं, okay, 67 crore rupees. So because of that the stock went up, it jumped, because उससे पहले they had sold around 600 units 8.5 acre पे, और उससे पहले they had sold 4,470 units across 5 projects ई ऑक्शन के थ्रू, जिसमें 9,700 करोड़ का फायदा हुआ था. ये सब हो रहा था, उसकी वजह से the stock jumped for 6 consecutive days. It actually went along. Yes, it also bagged 130 crore worth contract in Meghalaya from Northeastern Electric Power Corporation. Okay, so ये सब अच्छी सी खबर है. It's a good company. It's a good stock. We look at the financial. It has good financials also. The company is in profit. Okay, so why did it fall? It fell down because न्यूज केम, ये जो 446 का जो रीसेंट बल्क ऑफ फ्लैट्स जो उन्होंने बेचे हैं, दिस इज इसका जो पैसा है, दे आर लाइकली टू पे ऑफ देयर डेट. ओके, दिस न्यू इंफॉर्मेशन केम इन द मार्केट, सो बिकॉज ऑफ विच सो ये जो इनको इससे कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ, ये अपना कर्जा चुका रहे थे, उसकी वजह से तो स्टॉक हैज come down a bit. It's not come down a lot actually. 7-8% तो गिरा है, but उससे पहले it was just going one way. Because of this stock has come down. Okay. Otherwise, yes, everything was going hunky dory for the stock. I look at the chart. This stock was after around 130 पे था ये stock. August में 24 में, उसके बाद this corrected quite a bit, which was an opportunity, which was seen as an opportunity to buy. So this stock started climbing from this January onwards. उसके बाद भी नीचे गया था, that was also opportunity to buy. और अब उसके बाद ये 115 19 मई तक चला गया था, बट आज ये गिरा है. एक्चुअली ये 9 मई को भी गिरा था, 92 तक चला गया था, बट उसके बाद इट अगेन gap up हुआ, and then now this is at 110. So उतना भी नहीं गिरा, as I said. It has corrected, but not that much. Why? Because it has a strong balance sheet. Yes, of course, the pedigree of the company, yes, it is, as I said, it's a Navratna company. Housing, Urban Development Ministry के अंडर है ये. If I look at the, it has, मेरे चश्मे का नंबर चेंज हो गया लगता है. अच्छा है, तेज हो गई आंखें. That's nice. I don't need specs. Okay, it's a project management consultancy, 91% in 9 months. Border fencing, civil infrastructure, roads, water systems. घर भी बनाते हैं ये जो घर बेचे हैं अभी. IITs, IIM, AIMs, okay, engineering, procurement and construction, real estate and others. And they are headquartered in Delhi. They operate across India, also in Maldives, Mauritius, Seychelles, Dubai, Jeddah, Philippines, other African countries. Okay, so this is basically a Navratna real estate company. Stock P is around 52.9. इसका stock EPS भी अच्छा है, earning per share. ROC of the company is 32%. Let's come down to P. Yes, 34.1 है stock P, and EPS is 1.86. Okay, I'll just go to the quarterly results. We are still awaiting the quarter 4 results for the company. So the profit has consistently gone up. I have figures till December 24. So net profit September में था, this is quarterly, okay, was around September quarter में था 125 crore rupees, वहाँ से बढ़ के 142 crore rupees हुआ. We are still awaiting the मार्च वाला क्वार्टर का. EPS has gone up 45 पैसा से 51 पैसा, but it has consecutively gone up. Okay, operating profit margin भी they are able to maintain 4-5% पे, they are stable. Oh, I am able to read without specs. Profit loss statement कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, दूर की नजर कमजोर हो गई होगी. और योगा Okay, net profit has also improved consecutively. Hmm. Except for the COVID year, yeah, it has continuously gone up. This is the end figures are also TTM figures. So from 278 crore profit in net profit in March 23 to 414 crore rupees in March 24 to TTM is 516. So the company is doing well. It is having projects. It is delivering projects. It is getting new orders. सरकारी कंपनी हो या प्राइवेट कंपनी हो, एनबीसीसी मुझे भी लेना था, रह गया. Okay, so they have orders, they are executing the orders, and they are a Navaratna company. Okay, so if I look at the cash flows are also decent. The cash from operating profit is actually in uh, positive. Okay, if I look at the shareholding pattern, 61% is with the promoters, which is the government, 25% is with the public. FIIs have also bought 4% stake in the companies, and DIIs have around 9% of the stake in the company. So this is NBCC. It is down today. I told you the reason. 4% down है आज, 111 पे है. कल देखते हैं. This dip can be bought. Actually NBCC का तो एक नया टारगेट भी था अराउंड 125. तीन चार दिन पहले मैंने कहीं पे लिखा था आफ्टर लॉट ऑफ डेलिबरेशन. हाँ 130. सी 130 इसका टारगेट है. अभी तो करेक्शन होता है तो सब कुछ ही धुल जाता है वो ऋण की चमकार में. ओके, सो दिस इज एनबीसीसी फॉर यू. आई होप जिन्होंने मुझे मेल किया वो ये देख रहे हैं या बाद में देखें. that this was the reason why NBCC went down. So घबराइए मत. This is the same company, the same stock. The financials are they look good. अभी we are awaiting the quarter 4 result. उसका भी declare नहीं हुआ है result. The second stock is okay. Do let me know. Do reply, and I hope this satisfies your answer. If there's any other question, you can ask me. The other company, the second company is जीनस पावर. ये किसी ने मुझे अगेन व्हाट्सएप किया था, ये बंद करो एनबीसीसी, बहुत ज्यादा जगह खुला हुआ है. हाँ, जीनस पावर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. दिस इज अ मीटरिंग, वो जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीटरिंग डिवाइसेस वो वाली कंपनी है. दिस आई हैव मेड वीडियोस आई थिंक 2-3 times. दिस इज अ गुड स्टॉक. दिस हैज बीन अ फेवरेट सिंस 21, जब से ये मीटरिंग सिस्टम का के ऊपर फोकस गया गवर्नमेंट का. गवर्नमेंट वाज गिविंग ग्रांट्स एंड ऑल टू इंक्रीज दिस. वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीटरिंग हो जाए जिससे वो बिजली के मीटर जो लगे होते हैं ना वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक आ गए. आप सबने देखा ही होगा घरों के बाहर. सो दिस इज engaged in manufacturing and providing metering solutions and undertaking engineering, construction and contracts on turnkey basis. What they do, they are into smart metering system. I've already said 89% of their geographical split was 5 हो गया. Exports are 11%. Clientele: Tata Power, NDPL, BSES, REC Power, Reliance Energy, UPPCL. Okay, order book. It has orders of around 31,773 का लिखा है 776 crore rupees, which is to be realized in next 8 to 10 years. They have manufacturing plants around Jaipur, Haridwar, Guwahati. R&D पे है ये कंपनी. GIC पार्टनरशिप है and what else? अच्छा, their debt has also gone up from, so this is important, from 271 crore in FY22 to 1,173 crore rupees in quarter 2 of FY25. Debt has gone up. This is important. Debt is up 25 में ही अभी. Okay, so today this stock was down. अच्छा, this stock is down ये सफेदी की चमकार में मार्केट गिर रहा है, इसलिए ये स्टॉक गिरा है. Yes, it is debt is up, but that was in quarter two. So quarter three results भी आए. Quarter three result I think ठीक थे इसके. देखिए जरा. हाँ, quarter three results were good. I remember because I was watching this stock. I watched this stock. So quarter three was good. The debt has gone up in quarter two, but the quarter three results were good. We'll look how much the debt. So market cap of the company is 9,673 crore rupees. Stock P is price to earning is 48 rupees or 48, and EPS is around 6.59. 6 रुपए कमा के देता है ये शेयर. अच्छा, EPS क्या होता है? अच्छा, इनके ऊपर कुछ लोग पूछते रहते हैं, हम लोग ऐसे बोल जाते हैं EPS PE. काफी लोगों को वो नहीं मालूम है अभी भी. सोच रही हूँ कि कुछ ऐसे कुछ इसी पे कुछ किया जाए. ROE is around return on equity. Return on equity is 6%. अब बुक वैल्यू पर शेयर और ये सब क्या बोलेंगे. BVPS जो लोग समझते हैं 1.78. ओके. एंड अच्छा, इंडस्ट्री P is इंडस्ट्री प्राइस टू अर्निंग इज 54.8 एंड इसका P है 48.3. ओके. So I look at the chart of this company. If I look at 1 year, exactly a year back 316 पे था और अभी गिर के ये स्टॉक 319 है. ना घाटा ना प्रॉफिट. इन बिटवीन दिस वेंट अप टू 462 इन दिसंबर. उसके बाद वो जो करेक्शन हुआ, मैंने बोला काफ़ी स्टॉक्स ऐसे हैं जो अभी तक उस झटके से बाहर नहीं निकल पाए हैं, वो जो झटका लगा था. मेरा खुद का प्रोफाइल 6% का घाटा है अभी भी, उसमें 6% लॉस है. ओके. सो if you compare with the peers, well, it is way beyond. Its ROC is way beyond because इसके जो peers हैं वो काफ़ी बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज है. केन्स टेक का भी अच्छा था इस बार. PG Electropass, Amber Enterprises. Okay, let's not go there. They are much bigger companies. We look at the quarterly statement, quarterly results. It's the results of March quarter are awaited, quarter four are awaited, but we look at till December. The company is doing well. Net profit is up, continuously going up since 21. उसने 2020 December 21 में it was around 8 crore rupees. वहाँ से देखो 68 crore rupees है December 24 में. और बीच में कुछ भी कम नहीं हुआ है except 23 का सितंबर एंड दिसंबर. उसके बाद सितंबर में या दिसंबर, वो 2 क्वार्टर टफ थे और उसके बाद से इट इज जस्ट गोइंग अप. नेट प्रॉफिट की बात कर रही हूँ. EPS हैज आल्सो गॉन अप. अभी लास्ट क्वार्टर तक EPS था 2.24 रुपीज. अगर ईयर ऑन ईयर देखें उसमें भी देयर प्रॉफिट इज अप. TTM फिगर्स भी हैं ईयर ऑन ईयर में. 200 करोड़ रुपीज का एक्सपेक्टेड है नेट प्रॉफिट वर्सेस 75 करोड़ रुपीज का लास्ट ईयर नेट प्रॉफिट. सो इट्स मोर देन डबल्ड. एंड एक्चुअली उससे पहले 35 करोड़ रुपीज था, उससे पहले 26 करोड़ रुपीज था. सो इन March 22 the net profit was 26 crore rupees. March 23 it was 35 crore rupees. March 24 it was 75 crore rupees. Now it is expected to be 200 crore rupees. So EPS has consistently gone up. So last year it was in March 24 it was around 2 रुपए 40 पैसा और अभी 6 रुपए 60 पैसा EPS. अर्निंग पर शेयर आपको 6.5 रुपए कमा के दे रहा है. ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट मार्जिन हैज आल्सो गॉन अप फ्रॉम 11% to 16%. उससे पहले 10% था, उससे पहले 9% था. ओके, दिस इज अ गुड स्टॉक. I look at the cash flows. Its cash from financing activity is Financing activities when the company tries to finance itself through जैसे मुझे अपनी कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करना है, टू पुट इट वेरी सिंपली, हाउ डू आई फाइनेंस? या मैं आईपीओ निकालूंगी, या मैं कहीं से लोन लूंगी, कुछ करूंगी, ऐसे करूंगी, तो उसके लिए that cash flow is in positive. Operating cash flow is negative. I'll look at the shareholding pattern. So काफी staggered है. Promoters have 39% stake in the company. FIIs have 22% stake. Now this is important. FIIs have 22% of the stake in the company. 34% is with the public. 3% or 4% is with the DIIs. Okay. Okay. So this was Genus Power. अब ये डिप है 319 पे है, आज ये बंद हुआ है. So this has been a good decent stock. I'll just look at the 3-year. Yeah, 3-year chart. May 27 को 2022 में 85 रुपीज का था ये स्टॉक. जिसने ले लिया उसका मजे आ गए. जून 23 से दिस स्टॉक जस्ट टुक ऑफ, backed by volumes. Exactly 87 रुपीज का था ये 26 में 2023 which is, and उसके बाद this has not looked back. मतलब थोड़ा थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हुआ है, but not that much. Okay, so this is Genus Power Infrastructures. And you know this, I just looked at this stock अभी here. ऐसा नहीं मैं इसको होमवर्क करके आई थी, ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, so I'm thinking of I'll do that. Ask me. कोई नई खबर है इसके ऊपर, देखें. No. So this was momentum, मार्केट के डाउनवर्ड मोमेंटम में ये स्टॉक भी करेक्ट हुआ. Okay, so this was this Genus Power thing. So I'll end this live here, and I'll try to, वादा तो नहीं कर सकती, but I'll try to do a live on Thursday, and I'll try to do that. Ask me anything stock, ask me any stock, ask me anything करते हैं लोग. Ask me any stock, क्या बनेगा? Ask me any stock. Ask me any stock. AMS. Ask me any stock. Okay, so I'll in that live I would be looking at the financials of the stock, if there's any news associated with the stock, and that we'll do live. Okay, so you can ask me stocks live, and what else? We'll try to analyze it in some way or the other. But yes, these are not recommendations by any way. And yes, कल देखते हैं मार्केट कैसा होगा. Most likely it is likely to consolidate. Dow Jones is down at the moment. Let us see. Yes, it is down 0.37% down here, 158 points. It's down. Home Depot, S&P भी स्लिप हुआ है. Okay, Home Depot के स्टॉक्स गिरे हैं, and so now they have climbed. Okay, let me read this, and tomorrow I will not do. I'll try to do a live on Thursday. I'll tweet all this, right? And the thing is that US 10-year Treasury is about 4.5, 4.5% away. Okay, that is why also the money is being pulled out. The money is because 10-year yield is an important benchmark. It has gone up, It has gone above 4.5%. Okay, so good night. Have a great day tomorrow at markets. And yes, take care of yourself. And yes, you can keep, I'll edit the description box. I have not put anything on the description box. मैंने सोचा ऐसे live कर लेती हूँ, but it's been a long time. I put my email ID, my WhatsApp, and also my website. So you can also ask me a question on that. So bye bye. Have a great day tomorrow.